In this video, we're going to show how to transfer Toncoin from Tonkeeper to Trust Wallet. It's important to follow every step to get this to work, so make sure you watch the whole video. In Tonkeeper, select your Toncoin on the home screen. In here, select the Send button. Here, you'll see that an address and comment is needed, and in our example, we will get that address from Trust Wallet. Open the Trust Wallet app. Select Receive. Open the list of networks and search for Ton. Now you'll see that Ton is listed as available coin, so just select it. Tonkeeper and Trust Wallet is a non-custodial wallet, meaning each wallet has a unique address on the Ton blockchain. For transfers from a custodial exchange like Binance to a non-custodial wallet, or between non-custodial wallets like Tonkeeper and Trust Wallet, you don't need a memo because the non-custodial wallet has only one owner. Just ensure you enter your address correctly. Since Trust Wallet is a non-custodial wallet, a memo or tag isn't required. First, copy the address. Switch to the Tonkeeper app and paste the address. If you're sure you've copied the right info, select Continue. Make sure Toncoin is selected and specify how much you want to send and select Continue. Remember, it's always a good idea to test first with a small amount to see if everything works correctly. If everything looks correct, select Confirm and Send. In a few minutes, your Toncoins should arrive. If it fails, then just try again. Thanks for watching. Just leave a comment if you have any questions and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.